Hey, what's up guys? Back at you with another video. Today, we're gonna do a tour of my crib, right? I got several people messaging me, hey Charlie, can we see your crib? Can we see where the magic happens, right? It's not really where the magic happens, but this is my sanctuary. This is where I find peace. This is where I do my work. I'm always burning the midnight oils. Right now, look at that, guys. It's 3:00. Can you see the clock? It's 3:05 in the morning, right? But I'm here grinding. I'm here working because I got so many goals I want to accomplish. And sometimes I just got to pull all-nighters, right, to get what I need to get done. You guys got to make sacrifices. If you want to get anything great in life, you got to make sacrifices, right? Working out. The thing is, it's not, with the higher you go on the ladder or where you want to go one day, it's not really about work life balance. Is more like work like integration. You just got to integrate all parts, right? That's what I try to do. I try to integrate my passion into my work, and I try to integrate what I love to do to the people around me and also to what I do. So anyways, back to my tour of my cribs. As you see here, the moment you walk in, you see that sign, discipline. I love that word. For people who are high achievers out there, people who love their life, they love that word, right? Some people hate that word. They're like, man, discipline. The fuck is that, right? But discipline means, you're true to your word. You say you're gonna do something, you're gonna fucking do it, right? That's the power of discipline. You say you go work out every day. Working out is so much discipline because if you work out just once or twice or a couple times a week, you're not gonna get that great body. Discipline is working out every day, right? Consistency. It's not just you do it once. It's not you just go run a marathon and you're feeling fit. You gotta do it every day. That's why I really respect people who are fit, because they don't have to talk the talk, right? You can just look at their body by what they do from their rituals. Anyways, here's my kitchen. This is where my nutrition comes to play, right? I think nutrition is, back to my previous video, I was saying that nutrition is a very ambiguous topic, and I love it because you can basically get around with eating wherever you want. I'm pretty broke right now, and also too, I don't like cooking. I just don't really like using the stove, right? For me being a year here, I've never ever even used that stove. So, right there, that's a cool LeBron James poster. I love LeBron James, man. He's my favorite athlete in the world. Here's my microwave. That's where I do all my cooking. I mean, I don't really care, right? I'll eat anything. It's like, so I eat to feel the body. I don't eat for taste. So I'll put anything in the microwave to cook it, right? Here's my fridge. And you guys want to see something really cool? It's a Tony Robbins quote. It says, "You're in the midst of a war, a battle between the limits of a crowd seeking the surrender of your dreams and the power of your true vision to create and contribute. It is a fight between those who will tell you what you cannot do and that part of you that knows, that always knows, that we are more than our environment and that our dream, backed by an unrelenting will to attain it, is truly a reality with the imminent arrival." I love that quote. I have this quote stationed everywhere in my house because whenever I feel like I'm giving up or I feel tired, I read that quote and it reinvigorates, right? It re-inspires me. I love Tony Robbins because that man is just extraordinary. The amount of preparation he does, everything he does in life is to like the max level. He does his best, and one day I hope to become a great motivational speaker like him. So, freezer, just ice. Like I said, I do a lot of, I don't eat very often, so I don't really have much in my fridge. All I got is some Brussels sprouts and, let's see, oranges and some apples. That's it, right? But I got a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. I drink like 2-3 gallons of water with Crystal Light a day. And I love Diet 7-Up. It's one of my favorite things to drink. It's got no calories and no caffeine. So I don't want to have any caffeine in it. It's great because also it's clear, so it's like, it doesn't sting your teeth. I really love having white teeth, as you can see. So I don't really like to drink anything with color in it. And the good thing about Crystal Light is it doesn't really have any staining properties, so it's got no calories. So it's great. It's great for curing that sweet tooth you have, right? All right, here's my entertainment room, aka my living room, aka where I make all my gains. Nah, just kidding. As you can see, I'm very, very much into anime. I fucking love anime. Anime is my guilty pleasure, right? I watch anime whenever I'm not working on my vision, or I'm not working while I'm not working out. I just love watching anime. Anime really, there's so many great life lessons in anime, guys. It's really, it's once you get into it, you learn so much about life. Of course, my favorite anime is Yu-Gi-Oh. See that? That's my my Yu-Gi-Oh anime. I got my Millennium Puzzle, Saitama for One Punch Man. Did you guys ever see that? That's a fucking good ass show, right? Naruto and Natsu from Fairy Tail. If you guys ever watched Fairy Tail. My Attack on Titan, Wings of Freedom cloaks, right? That thing is awesome. I love Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan is one of the most popular anime out right now. I got my second Attack on Titan cloak right there. My shoes. I know I got a lot of shoes, but I gotta have my matching outfits, right? I saw them matching the gym all the time. I think I have like 70 pairs of Nike shoes, Nike apparel. So Nike, if you guys wanna reach out, I don't want to be sponsored. I just want to be able to design my own clothes one day. So that'd be really cool. There's my TV right there. My landlord just installed this new Vizio. I think it's a Vizio TV, or sorry, it's an LG TV. It's awesome. It's got it's like smart TV. It's got like Bluetooth and all this stuff on it. It's so cool. I got another LeBron James poster. As you can't tell, I love LeBron James. And I know my place is a little bit really clean, but I think keeping your room clean is so important because a cluttered room is a cluttered mind. If your room is neat, you know where everything is. I'm very, very meticulous. I wouldn't say I'm I'm a little bit OCD, but I see a lot of boxes and shit. I label everything too because I need to know where everything is. That allows me to have control over my life, right? And if you're walking to a cluttered room, your mind is automatically like, what the fuck? Like, where's all the shit, right? Here is my bathroom. You guys want to see my bathroom? Yeah, it's got the good stuff, right? See, look, the Tony Robbins quote again. I love that quote, man. That quote just re-inspires me every day. So look, when I'm peeing, I can just look at it, right? Oh shit, look at that quote. I'll wake up in the middle of the night, look at that quote. I'll inspire myself. Let's go into I got 2 bedrooms in this house. My bedroom number 1, just clothes. All right there is self-development material. It's all the books I've read over the years. I know I got a lot of clothes. All of these are just boxes and containers of random stuff, stuff I'm trying to sell. I got my old TV here. I don't really need it anymore, so I'm probably gonna give it away. I don't really, for me lately, I don't really care. I'm not saying I don't care about money. I just want enough money to live. I do have big contribution goals, so I'm not saying that money is an important factor. But when I'm going after my passion, I want to create. I'm on my creation process, right? I'll share with you guys what that is a little bit when we go to my room. When you're doing what you love, it doesn't matter you get paid for it. I just lose myself in the process. When I'm working out, doing stuff I love, I can't describe it. Here's I got some Burberry scarves. I used to make a lot of money promoting, so that's why I have so much clothes. But those are all my workout clothes, right? That's gotta be on point, because my working out is my favorite thing to do on earth. So I got like 100 Nike workout outfits to stay fresh looking in the gym, right? All right, let's see what's in here. Dirty laundry. Don't need to see it. Luckily, I love my place because I got my own washer and dryer in unit, right? That's pretty cool. And lastly, to my room. Now this is where the fucking magic happens, right? This is where I make my moves. This is where all my planning is done, all right? First, this is my bed. Pretty comfy bed. More clothes. This is just for going out clothes. More label containers. All right, ready here? See the magic? 1, 2, boom, 3. Right there is my vision board. I think having a vision board is so important because every day I wake up and I look at my vision board. I look at what I want to do in my life. I have 1-year goals, daily goals, 10-year goals, 20-year goals, all the things I want to create, right? Let me share with you guys what I was talking about the creation process, what my ultimate vision in life, right? My ultimate vision for my life is to create a movement to bring joy and inspiration to people all over the globe through nutrition and fitness. by using my powers of belief, courage, commitment, passion, creativity, love, hunger, drive, and determination in order to help transform America from the most obese and the #1 fittest, healthiest nation in the world. I'll show people how to conquer their fears and break through all limiting beliefs by teaching them how to raise their standards and helping them to cultivate an unstoppable mindset so everyone can create an extraordinary quality of life on their own terms, right? That's what I'm in the process of creating right now. I'm doing a lot of studying, a lot of research, a lot of just working on developing my skills. And that's what I was saying about the money thing. Money is important to an extent, but right now I've never been so invigorated, exhilarated, whatever word you want to describe it. Right? I'm so fucking passionate about what my current status in life right now. Cause I got that vision is so compelling for me because America has given so much to me, and I just want to give back. Because I transform my own body, and I have such a strong belief in myself. If I can transform my own body and my own health, and if I can inspire others, then I know I can achieve that ultimate vision, right? And once I achieve that vision, it's gonna be the world, right? I'm gonna change the world one day. So I'm sharing my goal with the world. So now I'm held accountable. If I don't accomplish it, then shit. I know I'm gonna accomplish it because when I give my word, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna fucking do it, right? You'll watch me. I'm unstoppable. Anyway, that's my vision board. Visions. I know I got Yu-Gi-Oh on there. Yu-Gi-Oh just means a lot to me. I love the main theme of Yu-Gi-Oh. It's all about believing in yourself, having faith, trusting, developing yourself, playing for heart of the cards, right? That means love. So you really got to do something you love, guys. If you guys aren't doing what you love, you got to get out of it because you're wasting your gift with the world. Everyone has a gift we all want to share, right? And then here is my computer right here. This is where I make the magic happen. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm actually creating working on my business plan right now for the future, and I got a lot of things going on right now. I am actually working on really hard on becoming an inspirational speaker. So that's a lot of my goals and stuff. And this is where I go to develop myself. I have a lot of ideas. The thing is this, I love life because life is so awesome. You never stop learning. Life is a continuous process of becoming. And I've been successful in the past before where I made a lot of money and I stopped living. I wouldn't say I stopped living, but I stopped really wanting more. In that moment you die because life is about growth. You gotta continue to strive to become more. So that was a tour of my crib. I don't know what you guys also want to see. I don't really have anything else to show you. So please comment, like, subscribe if you enjoy my video. And we're out, alright? Later.